Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here once again at this water park slash waterfall. There's a waterfall, then there is the water park. And beautiful plants, beautiful nature, beautiful trees, which I love the most in the world. I love trees so much. So let's go there. Let's go, let's go. So that's the waterfall. And then there's the water park. But nothing better than watching and listening to the sound of that water. Am I right? And a little bit further, we are going to see lots of banana trees, awesome trees, blackberry, blackberry, blackberry tree, awesome. I think there's also an avocado tree nearby. There are many avocado trees in my city, so many actually. Avocados are so popular in Brazil. Also, yeah, berries, blackberries, red berries, bananas, all kinds of nuts, and crazy, crazy stuff. You know, Brazil is so awesome. You guys should come visit, visit Brazil, spend a vacation here. You guys are gonna love it. Love it so much. We Brazilians are always on vacation because, actually, because I live near the waterfalls and I live near the beach. There's one side, which are the mountains, so there's waterfall, and the other side, the beach. So we are so blessed, really. So come here, spend some time here. I'm gonna show you guys some beautiful, beautiful, beautiful scenery which nature has made, I'll show you. But first, I want to show you guys those beauties. Hi, City. Those are so cute ducks. Oh my gosh. They're so pretty. There's two now. Ah, no, no, no. The yellow one is the precious one. So cute. Look, look, look. Oh my god. So pretty, so pretty. Look, look, awesome. Wow, nature is so amazing, right? So the scenery I was going to show you guys is about this place, which there is a path like from those little leaves, and then there is a bridge, little bridge, which can take us to the waterfall. Let's go, Lila, slowly, slowly. Okay. Look, guys. This place is really amazing. I just gotta be careful here. But look, my gosh, all the path, many, many leaves like those, Actually, those are not leaves, those are flowers. And look how beautiful scenery in here. Look, look, look. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. The camera cannot make it so beautiful like it is in real because it's more green and more purple, But it's so amazing, really, so amazing. The stones very green and those petals very, very like dark purple. So awesome. Sorry, dark pink. I'm sorry. That's so beautiful. My gosh. So that's the scenery nature has made from that tree. I don't know how to show you that, but really, really beautiful. And every week is different. Every week I come here, I see a different scenery. So it's amazing. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video and give it a thumbs up if you did. And God bless. See you next time. And make sure to subscribe, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Bye.